What pre-emergent and post-emergent weed killer should I use for sandspurs in Florida? Yard is too full to pull by hand, and this is Nick. YouTube. So sandspur, which is actually almost like birdweed.
Birdweed, okay.
It has little burrs on it. So first thing I would do is I would go to my local extension office there,
yeah,
you know,
see what they recommend,
there in Florida, wherever you are, and see what they recommend. Because here's something, we don't know the type of grass that he has. Right, so it might be St. Augustine, it might be some zoysia, but we don't know that.
Typical local extension service down there.
Sure.
So they have some good information on there, probably got a publication on there.
I'm sure they do.
And give you all the information there.
Right, right. But not knowing the grass definitely makes it tough. Now, for some of the warm season grasses that we're familiar with up this way, I mean, you can use a pre-emergent. You know, for us here in the Memphis area, there would be something like Pendimethalin.
Okay, then.
Right, and then a post-emerge would be something like Quinclorac.
Quinclorac, okay,
right.
then.
But that's for the area up here. You know, for our grasses here.
They also need to
visit
local extension office down there and see what they recommend down there in that area.
That's what I would do.
Yeah,
I would definitely do that. Because again, we don't know the type of grass that he's growing.
No wrong, right.
Right. So we don't want to recommend the wrong thing that might kill
his grass,
some of those grasses. So Nick, if you can contact your county extension office and see what they recommend to control sandspurs.
Sandspurs, okay.
Again, which is pretty much, you know, close to birdweed because they actually have little burrs on them.
Yeah, real thing.
Right, and it can take over.
Take over your lawn, yeah.
Right. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.